Namaskar. Recently, a new functionality of transfer of pension case from one CCA to another CCA has been developed in SAMPANN. This video will explain how pensioner can use the functionality without physically visiting CCA. For this, pensioner will have to log into his/her dashboard using their login credentials. After login, pensioner will have to raise a request for transfer of pension. Here, please note that the pensioner can also raise the request by sending a physical application to any of the CCAs. For raising the request online via SAMPANN, pensioner will have to go to the pensioner detail, grievance, and here from the drop-down option select request of transfer of pension from one CCA to another. Pensioner is also requested to submit an application if any and give the description of their request. After submitting, the request will be further processed by the respective CCA. Once the transfer request is accepted, the pensioner will receive a message on his/her registered mobile number. Now for the final approval, the pensioner will have to sign the transfer request form, which will be sent to his/her address physically via post, or they can also download it from the dashboard. Here at the pensioner section, on clicking the transfer request form, the pensioner can download the form, take a print of it. It is requested to the pensioner to sign the transfer request form along with a copy of ID and EPPO, signature of 2 witnesses. Here, in case if pensioner wish to withdraw his/her application, they can select from here and mention their reason. Once signed, it is requested to send the transfer request form back to the above mentioned address in their request form. Once the application reaches to the respective CCA offices, a further processing will be done by the office. Once the case is completely transferred from the current CCA to the residing CCA where the pensioner asked to transfer his/her case, pensioner will receive a message on his/her registered mobile number. After that, the pensioner will log in again into their dashboard, and here under the pensioner sanction order, they will receive a finally digitally signed authority letter of the transfer of pension. Here the pensioner can see that. Thank you.